Hi everyone, I am Bharat. I am having 5 years of experience. So when I'm looking for my upskilling journey, I have found Odin School through YouTube. So this was my best thing I can say, because Odin is having the three important factors they are considering for anyone who is looking for a data science professional. So one thing is they are having a successful important course curriculum, because what is industry needed, they are putting all those things in their course curriculum. So, and the second thing would be their capstone projects, because it's a kind of end to end project using all the modules what we are going through in this Odin School journey. So the final thing would be the placement assistance from the Odin School, because the key important factor here I can say is that they are helping the students in terms of how to negotiate with HRs and how to improve their communication skills as well, apart from this technical schedule. So finally, I have completed all my modules and completed my placement with Odin, and I am now happy because I have got my 100% hike with Odin School. So thank you so much.